washing machine from about 2009. I've set it on spin only. That's the model number 592491070. Made in Korea. It's got the back open. And this is actually where the noise is coming from that I've been worried about. I thought it was something inside the machine. Thankfully, it seems to be just this thing over here. That's good news. Everything in there seems pretty good. Slowing down now, let's see if it does it. Didn't do anything now. So what you have to do to get this thing out is you've got to just release these two little pins over there. So just shove two little Allen keys in and then you can just turn it. And then it should come out. Well, it's loose. That's how you get it loose anyway. Okay, so to get it out, you just have to remove these two screws on the top. Take the whole cover off. And then underneath, you'll see a big clamp. You take that off, you can pull this hose off. And then you can take this thing out and do something with it.